Hey guys, it's Monique back with another video. My hair is already washed and deep conditioned. Alright, let's start this video. Okay, well, first I'm sectioning off my hair. One piece, one piece. I use Shea Moisture Styling Lotion, wide tooth comb, and some hair clips. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So I just, part my hair with my fingers. I don't really like section off my hair because I like to make things complicated. Alright, I'm getting a little bit of styling milk, rubbing it on my hair, bloop, 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 bloop. Then what I do is I take my little wide tooth comb, I start from the ends, I go whoop, 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 whoop. And that's just what I do. And then I'll just braid it all the way down. Braid, 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 braid. This is what I do. So I'm just going to keep on braiding, keep on braiding, keep on braiding, keep on braiding. Look at this. And the styling milk from Shea Moisture, it smells delicious. It's really nice. It makes my hair very soft and very manageable. I love it. So I love Shea Moisture products. And when I'm not using the regular shampoo and conditioner I have, like I stated before, I use the Shea Moisture shampoo. I can't remember exactly which one, but in a future video I'll probably put it up there. So I was thinking about, doing some more natural hair tutorials. I've been natural since 2012. That's when I stopped getting relaxers. So So yeah, and I didn't even do the big chop. What I did was I had my hairstylist. She would just trim my ends like every month, and we just get the messed up hair off the ends. So don't think that when you want to go completely natural, you just got to chop off all your hair and start from the beginning, because you do not. So just trim your ends gradually and get all that relaxer out, and that's all you got to do. So just keep on looking at me. Look at me. Look at me. All right, I'm putting that styling milk on my hair, keeping that hair moisturized. And then I'm getting a little bit more of that styling milk. Getting a little more moisturized. And then I'm going to take my hands and braid it. I don't know why I was about to say the Y2 comb. So I'm going to keep braiding, keep braiding, keep braiding. If you guys don't want to see me keep braiding, just go ahead and skip till you see the end result of the braids. But if you want to watch me braid, 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 you can keep on watching. And I don't braid it to like the very end. I keep it a little curly, because you'll see at the end. So I'll just, like I said, I don't part my hair. I just split it with my hands and just start from the end and just keep on detangling. That's right. I did try to speed this video up. I know it's still kind of long because I didn't want it to be almost 30 minutes. So yeah, I love my hair. It's cool being natural. It's a lot of work, but I'd rather my hair be nice, thick, and healthy. So yep, and I am going to maybe do like a video of me trying to do some box braids. I think I'm gonna get like a little mannequin head from Amazon so I can practice, because I've never done box braids. Like I see a lot of tutorials on YouTube and I'm like, I can do this. Then I try and I'm just like, no. But I'm gonna try again because I do have a trip next month. I need these braids in. I need this hair protected. Alright, so look at that wide tooth comb action right there. Look at that. Oh my goodness, I'm going to stop doing this whole video. Okay, alright. Look at that moisture. Look at that moisture. Braiding it up, braiding it up, braiding it up. So I actually thought about getting dreads. I'm still thinking about it. So, so I don't have to mess with my hair. I used to actually get my hair flat ironed. I used to get, the little silk wraps. Then I stopped because, too much heat can damage your hair. It wasn't really damaging my hair, but I just, I had to for a certain reason. I had to like start managing my own hair. So this is what I do. I just wash, condition it. Usually I'll just detangle it like you're seeing in this video. And then I'll braid it up. And then I'll, let it air dry. I'll try not to put any heat on my hair. So, yeah. But I'm trying to figure out some other little natural hairstyles, I can do. But I see a lot of women on YouTube. They got their nice little channels and they have tutorials. So I'm going to go ahead and watch some of them. And I'm going to try to hook it up. And if I see any ideas from any female YouTubers, I will put their link below. I'm not going to take the credit for it. I'm going to say thanks for giving me the idea, because I do need to switch it up a little bit. And I can venture out because I am an amateur, you know. I'm just, you know, trying to find my little natural hair way. But I do love the curls, so I'm braiding it up for a reason. I mean, my hair is naturally thick and it has its own curl pattern, but I like my hair to look like a certain way. So, yep. And I'm just going to continue to braid. And what I'm doing when you see me reaching down, I'm just getting water and putting it on my hair. I'm trying to keep it nice and wet because it's more manageable that way. So, yep. And when I put that styling milk on, I put it all the way at the ends because this Shea Moisture styling milk is good for, like, to make sure you don't have, like, split ends and making sure your hair is not breaking and stuff like that. So, I really love it. And I might even like try to put my hair in some type of bun in another video. I do have that. I think it's Eco Styling Gel. I think I have the one with the green cap, olive oil. So yeah, I mean, I used that before. It slicks down my hair pretty good. But yeah, the natural way. Yeah, vibing, 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 vibing. Yeah, just listening to the music in my head. Because ain't no music playing while I'm doing my hair. Let me tell you, I'm just vibing. Usually it takes probably about maybe 30 to 45 minutes for me to detangle and braid up my hair. So yeah, but this is all sped up for you guys. Yeah. Braiding, braiding, braiding. When I first started YouTube, I thought about doing like a natural hair channel. Then I was like, I'm probably going to want to do other videos, so that's why I didn't. But it depends how many people, you know, like my little videos, you know. If that's what you all want to see, I can make a separate channel and I'll just post on both of them. Yeah, I had to show y'all that little braid right there, the curl at the end. Little curl pattern. Whoop, whoop. But as you can see in my thumbnail, when my hair is thick like that and curly, that's how it usually gets after I undo these braids. So I'm hoping when I take out these braids, probably on Thursday or Friday, it'll look like that. But I just want to give you all an example of how my hair usually looks like when I'm done with this process. But yeah, I love it. I love it nice and thick. And another reason why I stopped getting relaxers is because I used to go to like the pool every summer, and I didn't know that chlorine wasn't good for relaxed hair. So I was swimming, dunking my hair all up in that water, and I wasn't realizing that my hair was breaking off. So that's when I just I stopped getting relaxers and I just went natural. And like when I first started getting relaxers, my hair was very thick, it was very long, it was way past my shoulders, everything was good, but I like being natural. It's just, I just like my hair being so thick. I just like it a lot. Nothing wrong with relaxed hair. I'm just not on that no more. And when I eventually have a daughter, I probably will not relax her hair. I'll probably just do it myself. And if she wants to relax it, she is welcome to when she turns 18. She can do what she wants with her hair. That's right. My jeans. I have thick hair, thick eyebrows that I love, and I got them thick eyelashes. Braid that hair, girl. Braid that hair, girl. Go get it, go get it, go get it, go get it, go get it. Oh, man. Braiding that. You can see, all right, vibing. What? Okay. Oh, I missed that end. I had to get it a little bit. Go. Braid it down. What? Pick out that hair, girl. Fluff. Go ahead, get that off the tip. You already know when you're detangling your hair, you're going to get a little bit of shedding, especially usually when I braid up my hair and like I pin it up. Of course, I'm not combing it each day. So after I wash it, I do get some shedding. That's normal because your head is supposed, because your hair is supposed to shed. So yeah. Look at it, look at it. Go ahead, go ahead, go. 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 Yes. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Loving it. My hair really shrivels up after I wash it. Takes away all the length. You should see it when it is straight. All right. Do 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 do. Get it, girl. Well, oh, got a little tangle at the end. Had to fix that. Whoop whoop. Whoop whoop. Do 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 do. So go ahead, comment like your favorite natural hair products. Like, go ahead and give me some, ideas for hairstyles if you would like. Products maybe I should try. I like all natural products. So yeah, any comments, criticism is welcome. I'm just doing my thing, trying to keep my hair nice and healthy. Fluffing it, wetting it, more water, fluff, 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 fluff. Split. All right, let's go ahead and get this next braid in. Let's do this. All right, fluffing that. Get that, girl. Get that. Get that. Detangle that hair, girl. Okay. 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 Length. 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 Let's see. How long does it take me to run out of a bottle of this? I don't know, but usually this bottle is probably like, what, $9? It's a little bottle, but I'm not gonna lie, it's worth it. It is worth it. You gotta spend money for quality products. I can't use stuff like Suave or what else is it? Or any of those like Dove hair washes, shampoos. I can't use any of that stuff. I used to use it when I was younger, like before I got relaxers or anything like that, like when I was a young child. But now I just use, Shea Moisture, stuff like that. All right. I know I am ready to be done with braiding this hair. Jeez. I didn't even want to wash my hair today, but I was like, you need to do this. You need to get it done. You need to stop procrastinating. So your girl got it done, and she is braiding it up, braiding it up, braiding it up. Yes. Yep, I usually wash my hair once every 2 weeks. I'm not sure how long or how often you all do it. Comment below, let me know. But that's usually what works best for me. I keep it moisturized. Oh, look at it. Look at the braids. That's the final product. Look at it. Look. Woo. Woo. Okay. Look at that braided up. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Spin. Spin for them. Spin for them. Let them know. Let them know. Oh. Okay. Let them know. All right, part 3 is coming up. All right. Yes. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my little hair clips. I usually take about 3 braids and I braid them all together. Braid, 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 braid into like one big braid. And so I'm going to do that all the way around my head. Gonna keep on braiding. Go ahead and get that, girl. Swoop, 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 swoop. In. Yes. So I'm going to do this as quickly as I can. That's right. And I realized I left a little bit of hair out. So I'm like, oh snap, what am I going to do with that? So I'm braiding, and then I'm just going to tuck it in there. All right. Let's go. Okay, so you're going to keep on braiding. And of course, like I told you all before, I let my hair air dry for a couple hours. Probably a little wet still, but that's fine. Braid, 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 braid. And I do use the little hair clips, but they don't pull my hair. They don't tug on it. So you can get them from the Dollar Tree or Walmart. I try not to use bobby pins too often, but you will see me use about 2 or 3 in this video because I can't get one of these braids to stay in. But other than that, I just use the little hair clips. Yep, all right, your girl is clipping it up. Let's do this. Yep, clip. All right, girl, snap it in place. Oh, having a little trouble with this one. Okay, girl, got it. Okay. Do, hooking it up. And this little hairstyle, after I braid everything and I pin it back, I usually wear it to work, just something simple, you know, protective hairstyle. So I usually keep the braids in for about a week, and then I will undo them right before I go to work. Well, first I'll put on some hot 6 oil, and then I'll undo my braids, and then it's like a little, you know, little nice curly little hairstyle like you see in the thumbnail. Looks really nice. I like it. I'm feeling it, you know. Very cute. Curls are fun. So yeah, I like it. Nice and simple. So that's usually what I do when I wash my hair. So I am looking for some other ideas. So, yep. All right, we're almost done here. We're tucking it back. All right, I'm doing my thing, doing my thing, doing my thing. Okay, clip, clip, clip. Clip, clip, clip. Do, 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 do. And when I'm not putting these braids in my hair, I'll usually like split my hair down the middle, like a little part, and I'll have like 2 braids, and then I'll pin them up in the back. Yeah, I'm feeling it, feeling it, feeling it. Oh, this one little braid is getting on my nerves. And I'll use like Dax or any kind of grease that has like olive oil or coconut oil. So any hair greases like that, the little old school greases. I don't use none of that new stuff. Like the old school works best. I still cannot get this braid together. It is getting on my nerves. We are going to tuck it in there. Let's do this. I know I can. Okay, yeah, it's really getting on my nerves. I'm like, woo. So yeah, I am just playing with it. I'm just like, girl, get it up in there. And we are going to try again. Okay. Now I'm probably getting fed up, so this is probably when I'm going to take some bobby pins in a few seconds. I'm just like, still can't get it in there. Do. So y'all going to see me mess with this braid for a few more seconds, then I'm just over it. So I'm getting a bobby pin, girl. I ain't got time. All right, come on. Bobby pin is clutch. We're going to get another one just to secure it. And I might even throw in a 3rd one there. Thank you all for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and comment for your girl. Look at that. Woo! Hey!